Welcome back student. In this video we are going to understand how to work with pictures or clip art images, and for that matter any other images. So how to get any picture into your document. So it is very easy. You need to go to again insert and click on picture. Okay, once you have done the selection, it will give you the option to select the picture from wherever you want. I'm going for sample pictures, and there I am selected this particular image. So image has been inserted in the document. Now the moment image will come in the document and you will do the selection of the image, you will get to see this format option. So in this format there are plenty of options which I am going to make you understand one by one. The first option is a correction. So there are plenty of correction options, like if you want to increase the brightness or the contrast, and if you want to decrease the contrast. Let's say I'm going for the increase contrast. There are many other color correction options like recolor, color tone, color saturation. If I'm going for this particular one, let's say the changes has happened. There are many other artistic effects also. If you want to go for, you can simply do the selection. Now whatever changes you have made, if you want to reset all the changes, then you need to click on reset picture, and reset has happened, you can see. Apart from this, there is a compress picture option. If you want to reduce the size of this image, reduce the size, doesn't mean the dimension of it, but overall size in bytes basically. However, it's not that much useful over here. Apart from this, there is a change picture option. Simply you can click on change picture and you can get another picture in spite of this. Again, we can simply delete this and we can bring any new picture according to our requirement. So we don't quite often use this change picture option over here. There is this picture style option. There are plenty of styles which are available. Whatever style you want, you can do the selection. You can see the changes has happened. This is a picture border option. If you want to give the border to it, you can select the width of the border that you want to give. You can select the color of the border also from here. Okay, I've made a selection of the color, and after that I'm going for the border option. You can see the changes has happened. Apart from this, these are the kind of border you are looking for. Let's say if you want dot borders or something like this, you can go for these options as well. Okay, these are the picture effect option, like a shadow effect or a reflection effect if you want to, or a glow effect. Let's say I'm going for this glow effect option, and you can see the glow, whatever option I have made a selection of it. Picture layout, there are various kinds of layout. If you want to bring this picture in one particular set of layout, you can do the selection and you can see the changes are happening. Position is, if you want to place this picture right now, it is in the top. If you want to place this in the right corner, you can see the changes are happening. The better option would be, right now it is the text are not adjusting. Let's say if I want to place this over here, you can see the changes are not happening accordingly. The text has not been adjusted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going for wrap text and I'm going for through option. Now wherever you want to place this image, you can, and accordingly the text has been adjusted as well. Also there is a rotate option in 90 degree. If you want to, you can, or you may go for this particular option. It's not going to work on a 90 degree basis. You can have a complete control upon how much you want to rotate. There is a crop option. You can simply go here and you can crop the image. Okay, so these are all the options related to images. And similar to images, if you want to have a clip art, mostly we have animated images, and simply click on go. And if you want have if you are having any specific requirement, let's say I want the images for the computer, so type in computer in the search for and click on go. So you will get to these options, you can simply drag it and you will get the images. And whatever options I have taught you how to manage the images, similar options are gonna be here as well, so you can make a use of it. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.